Let's look at this problem. Bella begins to walk from her house toward her friend Ella's house. At the same time, Ella begins to ride her bicycle toward Bella's house. They each maintain a constant speed, and Ella rides 5 times as fast as Bella walks. The distance between their houses is 2 miles, which is 10,560 feet. And Bella covers 1.5 feet with each step. How many steps will Bella take by the time she meets Ella? So this word problem may sound a little bit complicated, but the philosophy or the picture behind it is quite straightforward. So let's draw a little diagram. Let's suppose this is the road between their houses. Let's call this Bella, and let's call this Ella. So they each walk or ride to the other friend at the same time. And certainly because Ella is riding a bicycle, so Ella's speed is faster. Let's say Ella, this is faster than Bella. And after some time, they will certainly meet somewhere in the middle, right? And we were asked about the number of steps that Bella takes. So let's put that aside, right? We first want to know what's the distance that this Bella covers. What's this distance? As long as we know that, then we will know the number of steps that she takes. Good. So after this analysis, the problem will look not so hard. So there would be a multiple ways to handle, but in here, I'll just focus on one, which is quite straightforward and which is take advantage of the ratio, because there's a very important concept in this problem. That's the ratio. We know the speed of Ella to the speed of Bella. That's 5:1. Ella is a lot faster because she's riding a bicycle. Since they have this ratio, the entire distance can be divided into 6 parts, 6 equal parts. Ella will cover 5 of them, and Bella will cover only 1 of them. That is because when they meet, they both spend the same amount of travel time, right? It doesn't matter they walk or they ride. Now, what's the distance? The distance is here. So the author of this problem has already done us a favor. Otherwise, you have to do the calculation from the number of feet per mile times 2, which is the total number of feet. The entire distance is 10,560, right? And we need to divide that by 6. And this 6 is because it's 5 plus 1. And from here. All right, let's do this simple arithmetic problem. So 10,560 divided by 6, that's 1, 45, that's 7, 42, that's 36, 6, 36. Therefore, each portion of this is 1,760 feet. And remember, Bella only covers 1 portion of this, so she only traveled so many feet. Now, let's do the next step arithmetic calculation, which is we need to divide this by each step, right? So we need to 1,760 divided by 2.5. That'll give us the number of steps that she takes. And let's do the calculation. 1760 divided by 5 halves, and that equals 1760 times 2/5. What should we do now? We can do the cancellation and so on and so forth, but in this particular scenario it doesn't really matter, so I'll do this way. The denominator is 5, the numerator is 3520. Now let's do the calculation. 3520 divided by 5, that's 7, that's 0, that's 4. So 704 is the total number of steps that Bella will take. Therefore, the answer is A. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and thumb up. If you have questions, please comment.